Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Max for Live in Ableton. Max for Live is a powerful tool that seamlessly integrates the visual programming language Max/MSB directly into your Ableton Live workflow. This integration empowers you to craft unique instruments, audio effects, and MIDI effects, expanding Live's capabilities far beyond its stock offerings. You'll find these custom devices conveniently located within Live's browser, ready to be dragged and dropped into your projects. To begin, open Ableton Live and navigate to the Max for Live category within the browser on the left-hand side. Here, you'll discover various subcategories, including Max Audio Effect, Max Instrument, and Max MIDI Effect. Simply drag and drop your chosen Max for Live device onto an audio, MIDI, or return track, just as you would with any other live device. Remember, a vast array of free and paid devices are also available online from the Ableton website and other developers. One of Max for Live's most exciting features is the ability to edit and customize devices. By clicking the Edit button on any Max for Live device, you'll open its dedicated Max Editor window. Here, you can delve into the visual programming environment, modifying existing patches, or even building entirely new functionalities from scratch using Max/MSB objects. Don't forget to save your personalized devices so you can easily recall them for future creative endeavors. Max for Live offers a universe of practical applications. You can craft advanced MIDI processors, like generative sequencers or intricate arpeggiators, to add dynamic movement to your music. Design one-of-a-kind audio effects, such as granular synthesizers or bespoke distortion units, for unique sound sculpting. It's also perfect for building interactive performance tools and custom control surfaces. Dive into the vibrant Max for Live community online for endless inspiration and a wealth of shared devices.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.